Hello everybody, Jared back again, and welcome to another episode of Software Inc. Alright guys, let's just jump back into it. So, at the end of last episode, we had just released Draw 92. I'm assuming we released at 92. That would make sense. And we were struggling a little bit financially, particularly with our stocks. I really don't want to play too much with the stocks this episode. We're just not making the kind of money we need. What I do want to do is actually start throwing some of my money into my savings so I can make some money on interest, because I'm gaining no money on interest right now. On our last series, we were making like $1 million a month on interest, which is kind of nice. It's not enough to like fully pay for everything, because by the time you're making that much money, your like salaries are like $3 million. But we're getting too far ahead of ourselves there. I just need to make a little bit of money because the goal of this episode is to create our new building. And now I have actually created a building. You can create and save blueprints. So you can see this little X shape, which looks a lot like one of the buildings in the Microsoft complex. This building right here, you can see that's what we're making. We're making a bunch of X's, which a subscriber pointed out, Xbox was designed in I guess I pointed out. I'm assuming he was making that point. Anyway, Xbox was designed partially in a building that looks like an X, which I think is crazy. And we're going to continue on the Macrosoft version of that building. But we need money first. We only have $14 million. And with this amount of, let's actually just get this playing in the background so we actually have things happening. With this amount of employees, we want to have much more money, so that we have a little bit of insurance. Okay, the other thing I want to do that I noticed, it is 1993, which means we have access to, let's grab select types in selected, oh wait, I can select all these rooms first. So here's an easy way to update all of your computers all at once. Select furniture and selected rooms. Oh, no. Just a second here. Let's see if I can do this right properly. Do this right properly? Those are real words. Select furniture type in select room. That's not right. So this is doing it there. Am I just doing something silly there? Select furniture type. Okay, so now it's working. Interesting. All right, and then you can go and replace it, and I can update it to, can't update it to you, can I? No, it's 95, but I can update it to the 90s computer. It's gonna cost me a decent chunk of money, but we will be working a little bit more speedy. We'll be more speedy. It'll be great. Okay, so where are we going next? Well, I want to make some more money. So let's actually get this thing going here and work on both portals and draw. See if we can make a few more millions today. Would be a brilliant thing. We have a bunch of deals. I don't particularly want to use deals, but we'll see if we need to or not. I want to get above 20 million before we do that building I just showed you. And Vegan, I do know that you want to be a marketer, but I'm hoping to also make a marketing team by the end of the day. So hopefully you will be there for that as well. I don't know if we're going to see. They have a bunch queued here. I'm just wondering if I even need this big of a support team. I know we were dealing with that last episode as well. Someone's not having their social needs met. Well, do better, you guys. Okay, no, well, actually, yeah, they're still working fairly hard on them. Okay, other things we want to do. You are almost done. Microsoft Office bundle. I can see you're almost done. So let's get stuff worked on here. Let's get a release date for next March. Give them a little bit longer to work on it, of 94. Say yes. It's going to give me a year before release. That's perfect, because they're going to finish basically coding this in the next few days here. I'm going to want a press release. So we actually don't have any level 2 marketers right now. I'm just going to do text. So this would be a good reason to get a marketing team up and running immediately. So much so, because I actually want this, and I want it on both support and support night. Okay. Yes. Yes, I don't have any competent guys. That's okay. So you are marketing, which is perfect. We're just going to shrink you up. And I also want a hype going as well. And I'm just going to make sure that I'm not losing any followers. Okay, so let's go to my actual teams here. So support, I guess we have to go to this one. Teams support night. Who can I get rid of? Who is relatively expensive for very little reason? You're You have some art. Well, you know what? I'm sorry, Mona. I'm going to fire you. Yes. And then on support, I'm going to fire you. I'm just assuming, well, actually, let's just look at their services. Why are you even here? Oh, she's one of my programmers. Okay, fine. You are going to be gone then. Actually, let's just get rid of somebody that doesn't have any marketing skill. I've probably gone through and got them all marketing skill, didn't I? Fine, whatever. Dorothy, you are also fired. Yes. Okay, and now I need to go to hire an employee. I want a service, marketing, medium, overall personality, spend the money. Let's look at support and compatibility. And you can do level 2 marketing. That's beautiful. And you can even do a little bit of programming. So you are kind of an overall great person. This person can do multiple programming and marketing. Regina, you're even better. Hired. And then we want this to be for support night as well. Boom. Let's do compatibility. And right, they had a problem with compatibility. The problem being, I made them have a problem with compatibility. Scott Price, you are hired. You're good. Okay, now we need to go through here and set these guys to their correct roles. You guys can do programming and service only. And you will do change roles, programming and service only. Have at thee. All right, cool. So now we should actually have people working on those things, if that makes sense. I believe it does. Speed up. Make that money, Jared. And can we make this the priority, please? Motor through that. I've told them to be done basically by tomorrow on that. And I would love for that to be the case. 15 mil. We have somebody that needs to be educated. Who are you? You are... Whoa. Okay, I'm pressing the right thing. You need to be educated. Let's just get you as a good programmer. We do have deals that I could be taking, but we are slowly but surely kind of going up. Yeah, $500,000 a month. Employee not being met. Do we have enough in stock of everything? 20,000. I'm gonna say that. Can I port you to anything nice? 92, December of 92. Absolutely, let's port you to there. We can probably also port active users. He's not gonna get a lot of active users. Let's also order, another 21,000. We're hopefully going to sell it. Here is hoping. Let's see if you're prominent, you're sparse. We are going to end the marketing on portals. Yeah. Portals still has a massive amount queued, but we're not going to market it anymore. We're not making a lot of money on it. I'm just going to call it as it is. You guys are so close to being done. Let's get a quick review out just to see if we are basically a 10 out of 10. We should be relatively close to a 10 out of 10, I'm hoping. And 10 out of 10. It's a glorious, glorious product. We will promote it tomorrow and get him out on the town. Man, getting that next 20 million is being very, very difficult. Oh, Junior, you need to be educated. Let's get you good at you and support. You can be a great support worker. Useless skills. Completely unnecessary. But, sometimes you just got to do what you got to do, right? Come on, guys. There it is. Promote. Perfect. We are now working on bugs. Those guys can... Oh, let's make sure this is assigned to the right people. Perfect. We're getting that thing ported out there, which is glorious. You still need education. Ilua, I really have a hard time with her name. All right, let's make you really good at just a few things. Janet. Oh, okay. Well, system then. And Jean. Educate. Let's get you better at... I don't care about that. So socializing with your employees. Cool. There doesn't seem like to be anything extremely important happening there. What is happening finance-wise with the dividends? We are making a little bit of money in dividends, so finally our investment's doing something. I could be... You know what? Let's take a look here. Let's take a look at our stocks. So you guys... Can I open you separately? So we could sell it for 16 mil. Oh no, that's my shares. Man, that's the... Okay, so it is Shadow Clap. Where is all companies? Let's actually look at Founded. It's nice to look. So this is the newest company that actually has listed shares, so I can't invest. This is what we used to be able to do. When they were young, you would invest early, and then as they would grow, you would get more and more out of them, right? But it's a little bit less like that now. So you guys, Shadow Clap, you guys still have some. Let's go to details. So I think we paid like 60 million for them, and now they are down to 48 million. I could, seeing how they are doing terribly, I could sell all my stocks back and just invest all those stocks. And I'm kind of feeling that. Like, these guys have done absolutely trash. You know what? I'm going to get myself out of stocks. We did stocks last time. So I'm going to get myself out of stocks. We have 66 million. And what I'm going to do, just for right now, due to the fact that we are not making a lot of money and I want to make more, I want to go to investments. I want to bonds. I want to put in 50 million. So now I'm going to get some interest. I could actually buy some actual stocks. Might not be a bad plan, particularly if I bought something that was kind of on the rise. So let's say we bought something just to try something different, like SMR. Let's buy some SMR, and let's put, we have 16 million. Well, I mean, no, I want to get above 20 million. Stop messing around, Jared. Let's get ourselves above 20 million and stop futzing around. That's what I say. And how much are we making a day here? I'm looking at draw. If we're making more, I want to make sure that we're still making $1 million. Yeah, we're still going up. In fact, we don't even meet demands. Good Lord. Okay. Oh, we ported. That's right. Absolutely. Order more copies. Let's do 45,000. Please and thank you. That's right. I totally forgot. Now I could, you know what? Let's port it over. You guys, I want it in just you, I think. Yeah. And let's make that a priority. Please and thank you. Cool. Just so we can actually start selling something for them, right? All right. Looks like Ned needs to be educated. Let's get him up in systems. There was somebody else. Raphael. Oh, fine, marketing. Man, these guys are just costing me an arm and a leg now because they're getting too good. All right, we are almost there for Portals 2, and then we can start designing something else. Oh, we actually aren't even done this yet. No, stop that. Do this first. Oh, man. Burglar's got 22 items. Restore furniture. Stop being assholes. I really, once I get to the next thing, the next building, I'm going to need to... So... the alarm is going off. You can hear the alarm going off because my security cameras caught them. I wonder, here's what I think. If I have a security guard, would he come get them? Let's try it. Not hire employees. We have the money. Might as well. Let's call ourselves security. So we need to do 3 security guards because they need to come in at different hours, right? Oh, wait. No, that's right. Sorry. Like that. So now one comes in from 8 till 4, from 4 till midnight till whatever. So thank you guys. Let's see if they can stop that from happening. See if I'm right about them being called over when a security alarm goes off. Usually I just get enough security guards to sit at every single door, which might be overkill. Let's see if that's overkill or not. All right, Christina, you're ready to go too. I know I'm playing slowly there, so let's get the speed going up in the background. Reed. Educate you in system as well. We're just gonna have a lot of system designers. Probably not a bad idea, to be completely honest. 5 employees went on vacation. We're still making $1 million. You are so close to being done, but you are being slow. All right. Oh, wait. No, this is for March. On that note, though, so they are slowly working their way through that marketing there. But let's get ourselves a press build out for it, so we can actually get some people excited about Macro Office Bundle. It's gonna be awesome. You guys are still prominent. You're still making $1 million. Man, they're so close to being done Portals, and then we can start working on something else. Portals 2, come on, you can do it. They're not gonna finish it by the end of the day. You guys are jerks. Oh. Ah, no, didn't make it. So close. I could just push through, but I'm not going to. All right, we did get that promoted out, so we might see a little bit of a jump here in draw 2. Let's see if that's the case. Does not seem like it. How are we doing that? Oh, what's happening here? Software times. We've got our hands on a macro office bundle from Microsoft. Let's see what they have to offer. The target demographic doesn't really know what Macrosoft is. We haven't really heard of macro office bundle. It might be a new big hit and has all the new features. It will be released in March. Sick made a whopping, okay, whoa, guys. Slow down. Sick made a whopping 83 million last month, making them worth, well, Sick, do you guys have, are you guys selling? Wait, do I own in Sick? Macro LLC. That's not me. So somebody else is called Macro? Well, that's annoying. I didn't even know that. Macrosoft and Macro LLC. Oh, well, you little arses. You're making a crap ton of money from these guys, and I can't really buy it because it's 55 million. What are we making from, well, let's first and foremost do ourselves some education. Vivian, and oh, right. They're getting a system, which is good because I actually do want them doing that. And Son Tucker is, I guess you're a marketer now. Son Tucker, he's always seems to be around, doesn't he? And we can develop. Perfect. All right, so we are developing, which means doesn't have any followers, blah, blah, blah. We're getting a bunch of followers for Microsoft Office. Okay, what do we want next? We're working on Microsoft. We want another draw, don't we? Okay. So my releases, let's, how much do we have? 14,000? Ooh, we're gonna need more than that. Order copies, 31,000, I guess. Hopefully we'll be able to sell that. All right, I want another draw. Make sequel, right? No. Is that true? Wait. We have draw. We have draw 92. We're working on portals. Now I'm just thinking what we need. I think we need another Macrosoft, don't we? Macrosoft would be what I would want to be working on. So I can't really do that. I could start another draw. I guess that's what I have to do. Okay, sure. I mean, having more draws is not going to be a problem. Make a sequel. This is going to be draw 96. We're going to get all of them. Boom, boom, boom. Yep. And let's do liquefy. I mean, we don't particularly need it, but we're going to be able to murder it, it looks like. Not in-house. We do want it on the SCM. I'm going to stick with the default. Let's do advanced here. Yeah, cool. I mean, I could do even more. Image effects? Nah, let's just do it. We've added the one. Missing a level. You know what? We've added the one. We'll add one each year. All right, I want this on doors. Is there any other ones that have a decent amount of active users? That's door 6. This came out in 92, so we're gonna put it on that one as well. We'll do next. It's already at 100%. That's fine. Next. Yes. Develop, please. Cool. Let's bring this guy up here. Shrink you. And continue working our way through. We are at 19 million. We are so close, guys. I swear we are going to start working on that. We're probably not even going to finish our new building due to how much work it's going to be to actually do this building. It's going to be a pretty massive undertaking, but it's going to be fun at the same time. One employee went on vacation, 20 mil. There we go. Oh, actually, let's take a quick look at our finances. We're making $82,000 in interest. So that is covering roughly a third of our monthly expenses, which is pretty awesome. We're making $2 million in sales as well. So we must be selling a few other things, which is also brilliant. These guys are working on that marketing, so we are going to get that marketing out at some point. I'm just waiting for a little bit more money, guys. Just a little more. Just let me have my time. Raphael, let's get you better at 2D. It did seem like we needed more people that were able to do 2D. People are calling in sick. That's okay. 22 million. Well, I was considering, just a second here. How many profit of 9 mil? How much more do we have in stock? Ooh, not enough. Order copies. 53. I don't want to overdo it. That's why I'm being a little bit picky. Son Tucker, stop getting educated, dude. Seriously, you're costing me so much money. He must be a fast learner of some kind. Our code is, our art went so fast on portals there. I am having them work more heavily on porting. That's why that's happening. Okay, 23 million. I think that is time. I think it's time, guys. We're at that point. Let's take a look at our finances here. What are we still making? So every single month we make an extra $100, I guess. That'll slowly build up over time, particularly if we shove more money in there, which is awesome. We've been making maybe making millions and millions, haven't we? Why are you? You're still prominent, which is perfect. We still have a decent amount of people using portals, which is awesome. We've almost got this. You know what? Let's make this the priority. There's the word. Okay, but 23 million, I feel comfortable with that. It is time, and we're still making money, so I feel comfortable actually building. Because with our new building, our monthly expenses are going to go through the roof. So this is a good choice to make sure you have a little bit of a buffer. So what do we need to do first? We need to have, well, first of all, let's make it so that it's actually daytime so we can see what we're doing. We need more space. So we're going to buy ourselves a bunch of plots. And by a bunch of plots, I mean all of the plots on this square. I'm sorry, house, you're gone. Boom. I don't quite understand the whole why there should just be the whole you have to go up to it and then go down to hit buy. I understand what's happening. I just don't like it, I guess is the thing. Ooh, we have a reward. Let's actually go claim our reward. Claimed. Make 250,000 from stocks and bonds. Absolutely, we did. What do we get? A money tree. Well, we're going to use the hell out of that, aren't we, guys? Okay, so now that we have that, it's giving me a little red light. Oh, right, the money tree. We actually have the money tree now. So I've gone and I've actually created a blueprint called Big X Building Skeleton. And I want to build it. It looks like this, everybody. Isn't she glorious? All right, let's shove her down so that we have enough room to do a little bit of a walkway there. We want to be 2 from each side, 2 from each side. I think I can rotate with them. I don't want to rotate. I want it like this. Boom. There she is, guys. I think she looks pretty close. This is the image that I was working from. I think and this is what it looks like. I think that it's a little bit less long in this section, but that's okay. It basically gets right to the edge of the map, which is why I had to do it. So, well, here is my thoughts. A team on each side of the building. Boom and boom. And this is our leader's office. We have a rec room, a lounge, and we have, wow, I'm not using the right buttons here. We have a meeting room, right? And then we each have a bathroom, and then we have a giant open concept plan. So we are going to be probably for the next 20 minutes working on this. So what are the things that we want to do first here, guys? Well, first of all, we need to actually have an entrance. So I made it like this so that I could do another building on top of it the same, but obviously we need a little bit of a different entranceway here. So before we do anything else though, let's just throw in a door so it stops telling me that that doesn't have a door. Boom, door. I'm also going to do a door in the back so they can go through, and we'll probably do more parking in the back. Maybe another building back here, but for right now, there's at least going to be like a little park garden thing right there. And then let's start on the one side and work our way over. And let's start with the easy things, like the office building. I mean, not the office building, the meeting room there. Good Lord, you guys, sometimes. Let's see, what do we want to do? I want to do meetings. Is there a different table I want, or do I just want to use the same tables as usual? I think I just want to use the same tables as usual. And what I'm going to do is something along the lines of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look here. Leaving a section of 2 on either side. Boom, 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 boom. And what I'm thinking of doing is this. Where are those are my corners. But isn't there a, not question mark, there is a corner table, isn't there? Angled table? Am I being crazy right now, or does that not exist? Oh no, did they take it out of the game? Or is it a mod I had and no longer have? Oh, no, that's a corner desk. Maybe I don't have it anymore. Well, in that case, we're gonna have to switch this up, aren't we? If I do this, and then, well, I guess I'd actually want to do it like that, wouldn't I? Yeah, sure. You know what? That's fine. There's just there at least was back in the past. There was a straight-edged table, which apparently I don't have access to anymore. Feeling like I'm going crazy, not thinking that I don't have that. That's a corner. Wait. Is that what I want? That is what I want, but it's a little bit different in texture. Wall shelf, quartet table, and doesn't just have a table with it. That must have been what I'm thinking of, but I don't want it. No want. No, that's not what I want at all. Okay, so let's throw these guys down, and we're also going to, let's just move these. And duplicate. Boom, meeting table. And you know what? Let's actually just fully fill them out. It's a giant meeting table. Cool. I mean, look how massive that table is. It's crazy massive. It's humongous big. What is that? That's a goalie, an NHL goalie quote. The universe is humongous big. I could spend a crap ton of money and just put a bunch of, you know what? That is the most like video game company choice I could be making right now. Let's just do this. Ergonomic chairs. Let's do one on the corner like that. So there and take away that chair and that chair. How hilarious is this meeting room, you guys? That is so funny. So we have enough to, well, actually, let's just select furniture in this room, duplicate, and shove him down over here. Boom. Control C. Do it again. Duplicate. It seemed like it felt. That feels better, doesn't it? That also looks better. Okay, we also need to do, oh, you know what? No, Jared, stop it, stop. Make the entire room first and then duplicate. So what do we want to do in here as well? Just to make it a little bit nicer, we want to put some plants. Maybe a plant there and a plant there and a plant there and a plant there, just to give it a little bit of something, and maybe a clock, so that they don't let their meetings go too long. And what else do we want in here, guys? Ooh, do we want a giant rug? Ooh, maybe we can do a big ass rug. Oh, but it does that weird, never mind. Don't do it. Don't do it. Because it does, yeah. There is that like scale thing I could do. Press F to align to the nearest wall. No, I feel that's fine. Ooh, round VIP table. Ooh, that would have been interesting. I wonder, can I do, here's a question. Here is a question. If I did that, can I put computers on it? No, you can't. I was thinking about doing giant ass tables for everybody to work at. I'm still thinking of doing that for these rooms here, but we're going to get there in just a second. Okay, now I'm willing to accept all this and duplicate it. And I know that there is a clock on there now, and that's going to cause all kinds of problems. But it just didn't put the clock down. Perfect. All right, meeting room done. Perfect. Let's set these as meeting rooms. Limit room to meeting. and limit room to meeting. We'll set these teams when we actually get there. Let's do the lounges. And just like the other side, I'm probably going to try and mirror it so that I can just shove it over there. Let's do canteen is different from break room. Leather couch. Comfort just goes up. You know what? We are a leather couch kind of people, I think. Boom. 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 Love to see it. Cool, cool, cool. What else do we want in here, guys? Well, we want little spots to sit and eat. We could just do a picnic table. Oh, no, it has to be outside. Never mind. We could just do a spot in here, though. I also wouldn't mind. I was thinking having a canteen. I think I might just have a canteen upstairs so that everybody can go themselves if they want to. But what I'm really wanting, side table. Oh, hey, side tables are kind of nice. I'll throw one there and one there. That's fun. There and there. And then I can put some other things on there. Yeah, place furniture. They keep their own food in those refrigerators. That's what I'm thinking. And actually, the other thing that I want, because it'll mean I can use multiple of them. Where is my server room? No, that's not what I want. Is it just in standard? Here it is. My servers. So what you can do with these, hopefully it still works. Let's do 1, 2. Is you can put servers on these, but you can also, hot tip, everybody, hot tip. Where are you? Commons? Why am I missing? There it is, break room. You can put these refrigerators on them. They look like garbage, but I can do. I mean, I could technically do 9 each, but I'm going to try and make them look a little bit less garbage. Just look like it's stacked. The amount of power that many fridges would take up is absolutely mind-boggling. But we're going to do it anyway. And let's do ourselves one of those guys. And a nice little spot to go grab a drink and chat. We're going to need some more coffee and stuff. So let's just do, let's do the coffee along the outside windows here. Bum. So what are these? Alcohol? Good Lord. Who do you think we are? Right. And I'm going to want to, this does not shift it. It does shift it a little bit, but I want this to be angle snapped there. So now it'll shift it sideways. There we go. All right, and 1, 2, 3. You did not go right in the corner, though. That's fine. I can fix this. I can fix it. So you just grab this little guy, shove him in the corner. There he is. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. That's kind of a cool little diamond shape in there. Love to see it. And what do we want to put in here? Well, let's also get ourselves a. Why did that go on an angle? That was weird. Oh, right. We also want to do it now to this wall. I think. Maybe. I don't know, guys. I'm just whiffing it here. Let's do down the center here. Why am I doing this? Nobody knows. There we go. Cool, cool, cool. And we want to throw some other things in the break room, such as coffee. And coffee. And alcohol. And I think these kind of guys are a little weird. What else do we want to throw in here, guys? We could just throw in, well, we want some plants somewhere. Where can I put a plant? There's also, I'm missing one of my, I've got a vending machine, but there's a drink machine somewhere. It's right there. Found it. There we go. I mean, that's a pretty cool break room. You know what I'm just going to do? I'm just going to make it so there's more seating. Let's just do it this way. There. Now there can be a massive amount of people just hanging. Let's grab all of you guys. And, well, first and foremost, let's go make this a little bit more like this. Grab you guys and move you so that you're like So a little bit off-centered, that's fine. And let's throw some actual plants down. So this is gonna go right there. And did I already throw down the drink thing? I did. I kind of want to move it. So you are going to be moved to here. Cool. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab, no, just get out of here. I want to grab all of you and duplicate. And shove you in down like, So align you to right there and then duplicate. Let's see if that'll work. It's that corner there that was causing me issues. But that seemed to have worked. Perfect. And then we can grab both of these, right? And then we can duplicate those and just bring them over here. Oh, no, they are right. They do need to be by this door here. And I know that that messed that up. Let's just do that for right now. And you, oh, wait, never mind. That was the other one. The other one is the one I wanted. And now it's gone again. Oh, it's you. Oh, let's spin you. Oh, and it was in the right spot. Man, Jared, stop messing up. Close enough. Close enough. Okay, we need to bring this back to this guy. There we go. All right, what else are we missing? Right, these two. Let's make sure that we're bringing them all with. Duplicate. Let's make sure. Goes in the right spot. Boom. And are we missing anything else? Yes, you. Let's duplicate you, bring you over. Boom! We done did it. All right, let's limit this to a canteen. Can I limit it to multiple things? No, I can only limit it to one. Okay, so this is now limit room to a lounge. Cool, cool, cool. That's a meeting room. That's a lounge. All we have left is our actual spot. What I'm going to do first, actually, is the leaders' rooms. So, leaders' rooms. Let's start there. Bum-ba-da-bum. What do I want to do for a leader here, guys? Do I want a giant desk or just a medium-sized desk? I don't even think I can fit the giant desk in there. Well, actually, that does shove right into the corner pretty well, doesn't it? But then he can't get by, though, right? If I moved the door, though, that could work. It is pretty interesting. Okay, you know what? We're going to do it. We're going to move the door so that it is like so, and then give him a window that is like so. And there's going to be a giant useless slab of area over there. But they get a giant desk, guys. They get a giant desk. That is the most important thing. Let's also make that a little bit nicer. Like that, so he gets an actual little segment of wall. Okay, so we were in our little office here. They get themselves a nice ergonomic chair. They're going to look out this way. He's also going to get a bunch of bookshelves. 1, 2. Gets a little office bookshelf stuff. What happened? You know what? You're dud. You're dud. You're a dud is the word I was trying to say. All right, he gets an office bookshelf. He gets a desk lamp. Is that what I want in there? No, that I can't get to it. I mean, that's pretty interesting. I'm going to go with it. Because he's not going to be able to have anything on his walls, which is the part that I'm kind of a little weirded out by. Okay, so let's get ourselves an actual lamp and an actual computer. And what else do we need? We need a leader spot. lead, I think it's you, right? That just does noise canceling. So you're gonna get a leader, and then we will fill out the rest of everything. And there's nowhere to put anything in there on the walls, which is unfortunate. So books, boom, you can have that one, you can have this one, you can have that one. Then anything else, there's the alcohol. I could throw down some alcohol, but that actually is a pretty messy desk right there. I like it. There's also the shelves, but we don't have anywhere to put those shelves. Is there anything else I want to be putting on there? A nice little plant. Boom. Cool, cool, cool. Let's duplicate that and bring it over to the other office to see if we can fit her in. And to see if we need to do anything to this office. I think that this side actually works. What are you saying? Not enough ventilation for summer days. Yes, yes, yes. I'm aware we are going to be putting in all kinds of cooling. And for this side, it actually works beautifully. So I may actually, what I'm going to do is before we do anything, guys. All right. Select entire building. Let's save selected room as big X building furnished. It's only partially furnished, but at least it's there. Let's also, so I can actually see skeleton furnished. Perfect. Cool. And then we can get to keep on from there. I know we are getting a little bit long here, and I think I might leave the episode here, and we will continue on our building components, our building premise in the next episode. I think that might be smart before, just to get that thing away. And well, no, we actually, yeah. So we can't do any ventilation or heating until we create our ventilation and heating building, which is going to have to go up here somewhere. I'm thinking about making like 2 little cubes on either side with a little hallway to each one for heating, one for ventilation, and we'll do the whole building. But I like where we've started off. We've gotten a decent way through. We're making some money. We've got this giant building back there. We definitely need some second stories. But this is also, we didn't actually show you. This is what the side of the building looks like. It's fully windowed. I've made it white out there, and then some nice hardwood flooring underneath. And ooh, I've missed windows on this whole side. But that's for next episode. We're gonna fix it next episode. Hopefully you guys liked it and continue to like it. Let's bring it back to daylight here so we can actually see, and then press Q to go down a level. Oh, the other thing I was thinking, so we have the elevators on either side, and then I'm gonna put stairs there. You can't put down stairs until you have an actual floor for them to go to. If you tried to do it, it would be like, there's no upper story. But that's where our stairs are gonna go. Oh, but I need access to a downstair. I didn't think about that, guys. Maybe, you know what? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it like so. Just gonna go like this. Just do the right thing. It's going to go like that. Boom. And then on the next wall, the next floor, it does this, right? And continue on from there. And I might just move this over. I think that's what I'm going to do. Or it'll go up on this side and down on this side, and then up and then down and then up and then down. That might also be kind of cool. Let me know what you guys think on that. If you have any thoughts on that. I totally forgot that you couldn't just stack these one on top of the other. You actually need to, oh, maybe you can actually. Because if you did it, no, you can't. There we go. No, because, yeah, no, it's a block. Maybe you can with these, though? Maybe it'll let you go down? We'll see. We're going to try and see what we can do. Right turn corner stairs. Yeah, we're going to see. Stop playing, though, Jared. This is the end of the episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you want to be put in the game. Oh, I did tell you, Vegan? Let me, is that how am I pronouncing it right? Let me know if I'm pronouncing that right. Vegan? I am going to put you in the game. I promise. I just did not make a marketing team. I could, you know what? For right now, I'm going to actually put you in, and I might change you later. I might change you into a different person later, but I did promise I would put you in. So manage employees, teams, support Who is my support person that can market? I bought somebody to market on each team. You're my marketing person. Regina. For some reason, I'm thinking you're a guy, so I'm going to make you Scott. Change details. Details. Change name. There we go. All right, you are my marketing person at night. There you go, bud. Enjoy. Scott Price is actually vegan. If I take this away, he will actually be there again. I just have to close it and bring it back up, I believe. Right? There you are. Welcome to the team. You're going to do great things for us. Now I'm really going away. Thanks, guys. See you in the next episode. Bye.